The position and primary dimensions of the parametrically based window in EliteCAD can be very easily modified using its handles. You can also access the numerical values of these parameters. In a Detail Editor window, you can now precisely configure the window divisions, glazing bar divisions, and frame divisions. You now have the option to modify all of the detail parameters of this window. In this example, we see how the windowsill should intersect the thermal insulation and how its dimensions should change. The graphic is immediately updated with these settings. Naturally, you can display the window correctly in multiple views, for example here in the floor plan. Here we select a wider frame to which a rabbet can be applied later on. We now have correct thermal insulation in the detail of this window frame. After configuring all of these parameters, we have the option of transferring these values to a selection of other windows. The values can also be selectively transferred. We should now take a look at the same window in the section display. Here we see that, for example, the lintel and its louver blind casing is not displayed quite correctly. Here we select New Parameters and immediately this component is displayed correctly. In the section we can also modify the primary contours of the window, i.e. specify a new parapet height or a new lintel height. Naturally, we can also define all of these values by entering numbers directly. The window can be viewed and configured in multiple views and is always displayed correctly.